Do I have a favorite toast? You might have to bleep this. Cheers, and we drink. What's up, it's your boy Lil Jon. And I gotta let you know, I love my bar cart. My life is partying, so when I wanna have people over and party, everything is already built in here. And it's got wheels on it. If I wanna take it out by the pool and have a little bar set up by the pool, bam, here it is. The wood on it matches perfectly with the aesthetic of my basement. My taste in alcoholic beverages has changed dramatically over the years. I would drink whatever somebody had that night, whiskey, tequila, anything they had, I would drink it. First drink I ever made was beer. I had a beer. And then after that, rum and Coke, Long Island iced teas were what I drank a lot of. But then I started to acquire a taste for tequila. And we started with Jose Cuervo, and we graduated all the way up to Don Julio 1942. It's cocktail time. Today we're making my favorite peach paloma. Woo, yeah. 2 ounces of mezcal. Maybe a little bit more than 2 ounces, but it doesn't matter. 1 ounce of peach liqueur. Splash. The juice of half of a lime. And 2 ounces of peach nectar. Then you just shake her up. Yeah! Perfect. Add rosemary garnish. I like to stir it up with it. And a slice of peach. There you have it. My favorite peach paloma. Cheers. Mwah. My design style really is like energy. I have to literally legit walk through the space and the space talks to me. Hello. A lot of design ideas kind of come from my world travels. If I'm in Bali or if I'm in China or if I'm in Europe. You know, I take mental notes. Like these barrels behind me. I've been in factories where they make tequila, so that's kind of a nod to like how you see all of the barrels stored in the warehouse. If you can imagine it, you can make it happen.